don't have a clue what this is. It's like light. So I don't know what I bought, guys. Unless it's more of the silk cocoons, which I haven't even used the ones I have yet. Might have doubled up on my orders. Do that sometimes. No, it's too big to be that. Oh, I know what this is now. I think. Fun. Yes, I have some sponges, some really nice ones it looks like. I'm not even sure where I got them, but they're super nice. Good quality. And a few seeds in there too. Maybe I should grow them. Let's see the seeds. Look at that, I got some seeds. I wonder if they'll grow. Probably not. They were probably cooked dry. How cool is that? So, some loofah seeds, which were a bonus. And loofah for making loofah soap. There's a couple different ways I can do that. I've always done it in a PVC pipe before, and then it looks like orange slices. That's my favorite round soap to make. But these are really quite small, so I think I'm going to make some little soap on a ropes with them. All right, we'll see y'all next time. Bye for now. I hope you enjoyed this Soapy Minute. Click like and subscribe and send your friends my way, and hopefully we'll see y'all soon. Bye for now.